Is it a breath? Is it my finger hitting the pop filter? Is it just another strange noise that makes its way into my recordings? In the example in this video, I took great care to control anything that might produce such a sound, and it happened anyway. The second sound here is, in this video recording, it doesn't come out very well. In the playback of the file, it was a very loud, harsh thump, and it was really strange. And the Lord smelled a sweet savor, and Lord smelled. Okay, so that's like a, I don't know, it's a pop of some sort. It's too wide to take out in the spectral view. I can't take it out of here. This one here is almost removable because it's almost between two words. But it's not quite. I did try, and it wasn't. Now, when I recorded it with OBS, it didn't pick it up. What it really sounds like in my headphones is, it's got a lot deeper aspect to it. So that's a really strange one there. Nothing in the room. Didn't hit anything. Nobody's outside. Nobody knocked on the door. Just kind of strange.